time. A point of time is measured in hours and minutes past midnight or noon. Time is measured in analog and digital format. In digital format, there are digits to show the time. There are 3 hands in analog time format: hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 60 seconds in 1 minute. Each day is made of 24 hours. A day ends at 12 midnight, and a new day begins at the same time at 12 midnight. AM is the time between 12 midnight and 12 afternoon. It is the morning time. We write 7 AM for 7 o'clock in the morning. PM is the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight. Instead of writing AM or PM with 12, we write 12 noon and 12 midnight. Start here at 0 and count right. Analog format. Digital format. Time: o'clock, half, past and quarter. It's o'clock. It's 5 past. It's 10 past. It's a quarter past. It's 20 past. It's 25 past. It's half past. It's 25 to. It's 22. It's a quarter to. It's 10 to. It's 5 to. Example. Two. It's 2 o'clock. 2:05. It's 5 past 2. 2:10. It's 10 past 2. 2:15. It's quarter past 2. 2:20. It's 20 past 2. 2:25. It's 25 past 2. 2:30. It's half past 2. 2:35. It's 25 to 3. 2:40. It's 20 to 3. 2:45. It's quarter to 3. 2:50. It's 10 to 3. 2:55. It's 5 to 3.